guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. One of the most requested video is getting rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin, whether it is on the face, the neck, the décolleté, the arms, the legs, you name it. However, most people sometimes want to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, but they also want to tighten and firm the skin. They want their skin to look amazing, lifted, soft, supple, and clear. So today I'm going to do just that for you. I'm going to use one of my favorite ingredients and I'm going to mix it with another tightening ingredient and some wonderful antioxidant to create this powerful facial mask that not only will it clear the skin of spots and blemishes, but it will help to tighten and firm that skin, leaving you with clear skin, tight skin, and here it comes, a natural glow to your skin. So if you're interested in today's video, if you're interested in my natural homemade facial mask, all made in the comfort of my kitchen, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now, a wonderful ingredient to tighten the skin and shrink those large open pores is milk. Milk is very hydrating. It has lactic acid that help to hydrate the skin. Not only that, milk will help to get rid of hyperpigmentation and dark spots on the skin. It will help to clean those pores out, and once the pores are clean, what will eventually happen? The pores will shrink and your face will be looking spotless, glass-like skin, just clear and radiant. Our second ingredient is a known ingredient for spots and blemishes. Also, it is known to help to tighten and firm the skin, and this is potato. Potato is great for the skin, for dark under eye circles, spots, blemishes, scars. But what I like most about the potato is that it's a natural skin firmer, a natural tightening agent for the skin. Now, before I get to the rest of the ingredient, let's just get the potato out of the way since it's a little process. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wash and peel my potato. I'm going to be blending the potatoes, so if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and grate your potato. Now, do not use sweet potato for this remedy. We're using just potato. And a wonderful thing about the potato is that it works best when it is cold. So it's okay to put your potato in the refrigerator so that when you're ready to use them, they are nice and cold. If not, just chill the remedy after you make it. So here I have the potato, and I'm just going to chop the potato for easier blending. I'm using the entire medium potato since I'm going to be making a batch to give away. If you're at home and you're just making it for yourself, use a half of a medium potato and do half of the recipe because you don't want to keep this too long in your refrigerator, okay? So now that the potato is all chopped, I'm going to be blending. Now, do not add any water to your blender with the potato, just blend as is. Now take a look, here we have our blended potato, and now we're going to put this aside and move on to the next ingredient. Now here we have our final ingredient, and this is oatmeal. This is a blended oatmeal. So what I did, I just take my regular oatmeal, I blend it to a powder. So I'm going to pour about half a cup of the oatmeal. Do not add anything else to this. No water, no sugar, no salt, nothing. Just blend as is. And here it is. And now I have blended oatmeal. Now, oatmeal is very absorbing. Therefore, if you have dry skin, this is going to be an amazing facial mask for you. However, we're using the oatmeal to absorb the oil from the skin, but we're also using it to further help to tighten and firm the skin. Take a look at the next ingredient, and this is rose water. If you do not have rose water, go ahead and use some rose powder, or you can choose to use some rose petal in this recipe. Now, rose water is very hydrating to the skin, but not only that, rose water is going to help to give this facial mask a wonderful fragrance. So to begin, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the blended oatmeal. Next, I'm reaching for the potato, and I'm using 1/8 of a cup of the potato, which is about 30 ml. And we're going to pour that in the oatmeal. Next, I'm reaching for our milk, and I'm using the same amount, about 1/8 of a cup, 30 ml of milk. Next, I'm reaching for the rose water, about a tablespoon of rose water. Now, when you started to put this together, you're going to find it to be a little watery. Not to worry, because in a couple of minutes, what is going to happen is that the oatmeal is going to absorb most of the liquid. So don't be too hurried to add more oatmeal to it, okay? But if not, and it's still not getting, as thick as you'd want it to be, then go ahead and add some oatmeal. Alright, so you're going to blend well. And what I like to do when I mix this, I like to set it aside. I just cover it like this, and I leave it in the refrigerator overnight so that everything could infuse together. But not only that, the potato works best when it is cold. So mixing cold milk with that potato and the oatmeal and rose water is going to do a number on the skin. So I suggest you make this hours before you use it, or you do just like I do, make it overnight and use it the next day. So I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now take a look at this, guys. This is the facial mask after it has been placed in the refrigerator overnight. And what you want to do, you want to make sure to wash your skin, wash your face, pat dry the skin, and then you're going to apply your facial mask. Now, this facial mask is best to apply with your hands, so just take a little like I'm showing here. So just apply the facial mask all over your face like I'm demonstrating here on my hands. And once you do this, you're going to leave it on your face for about 30 minutes. While leaving this on the face, what is going to happen? The mask is going to start to absorb in the skin, and you're going to feel it tightening on your skin. So after 30 minutes, just rinse this off with some room temperature water, pat dry the skin, and continue with your facial toner, moisturizer, and your facial serum. Now, this mask can be used 2 to 3 times or even 4 times per week for best result. And you want to store this in the refrigerator like I just did, and this mask is best to use cold, making it a perfect mask for the summertime that is going to hydrate your skin, refresh your skin while tightening, firming the skin, and getting rid of dark spots and blemishes. That is it, guys. Go ahead and give this wonderful facial mask a try. Remember, this facial mask is doing a number of things on your skin. It is tightening and firming the skin. It is clearing the skin of spots and blemishes, and it is just leaving your skin just clean, clear, supple, soft, and radiant. So thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was your first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Don't be afraid to just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, at the end of this video, I have some suggestion for you, other videos you might want to watch. So just click on any of the link that you're interested in. See you all in my next video.